what is this? Steering.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it's hard to see, but it is lightly raining right now, and the cruise is still coming to us. Or slightly behind us.
I think it's on the headlights. Wait, where is it?
It's around the corner, I think.
Like, why is it moving?
Stop sign? Oh, it just decided that it's here. Where is it?
It's right there.
Oh my god.
I see it. Yeah, it's stopping light.
Good.
There's another car behind it that has to go around, so make sure you're on this side.
Alright. TY.
Connecting you now to cruise support. We're recording this call and may live stream video from inside the car.
Oh, that's fun.
Hi, thank you for calling Cruise Support. This is. Am I speaking with Kevin?
Hi, yeah, this is Kevin. Yeah, I'm very sorry. Just taking a long time to get set up in the car here.
Oh, okay. And you're in Platinum, right?
Yes, that's right. Yeah, I am in the car. Yeah,
Okay,
I'm gonna close
Did
the
you
door.
need any assistance?
No, I don't need any help. Yeah, I'm just gonna close the door and get the ride started.
Okay, perfect. Well,
Alright.
thank you for calling in, and I hope that you have a good rest of your night. If there's nothing else, then thank you for being the best part of Cruise.
Cool. Thank you so much. Take care.
You're welcome. Be safe.
So I forgot to lock my car, but hopefully, as we round the corner.
We're ending this call with cruise customer support, but we're always here if you need us.
There you go.
All right, locked my car. So this is definitely worse than the suction cup mount.
Okay. But you don't have to go through the glass.
Right. That is true. You don't have to go through the glass.
Arguably what we should... Oh,
But-
geez, it's moving, dude.
Yeah.
Maybe, do you want to adjust?
Maybe I can just hold it.
Okay, well, I mean, that's your choice.
Yeah. The other thing is the iPhone ultra wide has pretty poor low light performance.
Worse than GoPro?
I think worse than GoPro. I would rank them as iPhone ultra wide being the worst, the GoPro somewhere in the middle, and iPhone main camera is better than the GoPro at low light. The image also looks a bit soft. Whatever.
Yeah, I
This is gonna-
don't think this footage is going to be the most usable.
We're gonna get whatever video we get.
Yeah. Do you notice this route? It's going to turn right, left, left, as opposed to just one left. Arguably, that's more lefts. But maybe, you know what it is?
They're better lefts.
It's an easier left.
Yeah.
This hill is non-trivial grade.
Yeah, and like driving in the middle of a double yellow.
Well, safety, you know.
Yeah, never know.
Car buffer.
Never know when a pedestrian's gonna leap out at you from behind the car.
That was peppy. Heavy
Yeah.
acceleration. 20 miles an hour. Speed bump.
Well, but I feel like every ride I have starts down this road just because it's so easy to park in that neighborhood.
Yeah.
Oh, we got quite a few oncoming.
Oh, it's a flashing red. What?
This setup is
Cursed.
so dumb.
I feel like it's because your roof arm isn't exactly getting you the most leverage.
Yeah. Oh, that's a nice brake tap.
For what?
Nothing. I couldn't tell.
Oh, brake tap for unclear. Yeah, it's working.
Adjust this camera without losing my phone.
Do you feel it creeping up to the line?
Yeah, it's definitely.
It like stopped and then it crept twice.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Some Excel right there. Oh, that's another cruise? Just another cruise?
I think lost.
Got a right turn. Another cruise? Lots of cruises right now.
So this is the exact same route it took us to Arsicle the first time we did this.
Oh, really? You remember the little
Well,
right, left, left?
Actually, it's gonna do a bit on Geary.
There you go. High-speed multi-lane road, baby.
Yeah, Dalen, I think this is different software. I think you're right.
I mean, it has to be. It's driving. Well, it doesn't have to be. But he tweeted on Twitter some release notes.
Yeah. I guess they do, because before it was like very hard to get it to go on Geary voluntarily.
Yeah.
It would just go through the neighborhood instead. Okay, could be spicy. Spicy.
Gary probably at this time of day has not a lot going on. It's a Sunday night.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah. Anyway, we remain optimistic.
Okay. Yeah.
Are they that confident in the forecast? Because it still says light rain in the next hour.
Maybe they. I'm telling you, I saw a driverless cruise actively driving in medium rain yesterday.
Yeah, maybe.
Oh, that guy definitely looked at the car. Radar is spinning, or it pointed as we crossed.
The radars were also spinning when the car was parked at the pickup.
Oh well,
That was new, I think.
there doesn't seem to be much of a point to
You always got to know who's coming, Dalen.
that. Okay.
Always got to know.
Yeah, after we arrive at Arsicle, we can set the destination to Devil's Teeth, Noriega.
Mm-hmm.
Chase the rain.
I probably have to get you to help.
Oh, yeah.
Because I'm gonna continue holding the camera.
Check that dark sky. It's supposed to start in the next 5 minutes. So it will start by the time we get to Arsicle, maybe. Right turn. Okay. Oh, I was just here earlier today.
Nice.
It's grade transitions also not nothing.
Yeah, I mean, this is very hard even for humans, right?
It's a walk sign, so we might be waiting for a bit. I wonder if we can make it go to that roundabout, through that roundabout. Do you want me to move the pin to try to
Yeah, we can try.
edit? Choose on the, so like right there. Ah, it's gonna avoid it.
Oh wow, yeah, that. Yeah, it
It's
seems like
going
they
out of its way to avoid
do
it.
not like roundabouts.
What? Oh, stop sign.
Four-way stop. Yeah, no one out on the roads tonight. Kind of boring.
I wonder how many customers are using the service right now.
Oh,
besides us.
as opposed to idiots who drive in circles. You excited to drive on Geary?
I was so excited. Geary is 30 miles per hour, right?
Yeah.
But I would bet money that this car will not do 30 miles per hour.
How much?
Oh,
money?
pedestrian on the right.
No, they're on the sidewalk though.
Oh.
Or I guess
I don't think there's a sidewalk here.
they're walking in the place where a parked car would be.
Yeah.
So there's quite a bit of clearance. I guess like capabilities wise, right? We know they can do lane changes.
Yeah.
There's nothing special about Geary other. Well, I guess there is the tunnel, but it won't go into the tunnel. So, other than that, I don't think there's anything special about Geary.
Are you sure we'll go into the tunnel?
I've tried. Well, okay. I guess
You've
caveat
tried.
on the previous release, I tried to make it go into the Geary tunnel, and there was no.
What is this steering?
Oh, okay. All right. It's a bit of a weird way to make it.
Yeah, it's not the smooth. It's like very L-shaped. You know?
Yeah, we should probably change it.
Oh, you can change after you arrive.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, SGTM. I've always, like
route
clicked-
through.
Yeah.
That's so you can test their Pluto performance.
Oh, okay, I see. I always assumed that if you actually reach a destination, that they kick you out, but
Nope.
maybe that was just a bug that one time.
Adjacent to Muni.
Yeah.
Oh, this is gonna be fun because we need to make a right turn. It's coming up.
Yeah.
The Muni bus is to our right.
I think we have 2 blocks, and the Muni. Well. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see.
The Muni will go
The
faster
Muni,
than us.
if the Muni has a stop, then it won't be a problem, right?
Or we'll just go behind it.
Yeah, looking like that. Well, oh, the Muni has a stop. Okay,
So we're free and clear.
so we're gonna.
be fine. No stop for the Muni. Okay.
All right, are we gonna
Slow
make
in.
this? Oh, it's like 9 miles an hour. Good thing there's no one behind us.
Oh wow! Look at that double lane. Is that a double lane change?
I think only one.
Okay.
Just a very fat lane.
Okay. Oh, made a tar signal.
We're arriving soon. Please close the windows and start collecting your things.
Yeah, like even when it says you've arrived, you can change it.
I see.
Well, let's see how this pullover goes.
A few parked cars.
There's plenty of space. And we're not quite at the dot.
We've arrived.
Oh,
You can
this
unbuckle
is a
your
very
seatbelt
interesting
now.
way of
As
pulling
you
over.
exit on the
Yeah,
sidewalk side, watch
this
out for
is
bikes and cars,
pretty
and make sure
not
you've got all your
good.
things. Thanks for riding with Cruise.